In the past, the nameless whole has been shrouded in Oriental mystery or steeped in enigmatic language with little basis in objective reality. With a more careful examination of the nameless whole, we may better understand finite wholes. By focusing only on that which we can name and define, we risk hubris and environmental destruction, because we ignore the interconnected nature of existence. The unnamed whole calls for a return to humility, urging us to recognize the limits of our knowledge in the face of the indefinable. I confess that the philosophy I have presented here has been too simply presented, but this was necessary for such 1-minute episodes. I hope that ultimately the thrust of it is understood.